Hey friends, welcome to my channel Sanya Fashion Tips. Today video is about self-care tips for girls. So, let's start the video. Clear skin. Drink lemon water. Lemon water effectively flushes out harmful toxins from your system. It works great for those with acne-prone skin. Apply aloe vera as a moisturizer. Aloe vera is a great natural moisturizer and can help to soothe dry skin. Use rice water ice cube. It helps to bring natural glow on your face and is useful for skin whitening. Healthy hair. Apply onion juice and few drops of essential oil before wash your hair. Onion juice preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. Apply heat protection spray before styling. Healthy nails. Apply coconut oil on your nails. It can help strengthen cracked nails, treat damaged cuticles, cure hangnails and many more. Trim and clean nails regularly.